For homework, you need to make sure that you have all of this done here. The borders and all the formulas entered in so that these numbers here are calculated. We'll start with entering the formulas here, then we will do the borders. When you need to, pause the video and follow the instructions that I've just done. Okay, so here's one I prepared earlier. We need to put a formula in this cell. The first thing you need to do with a formula is type in an equal sign. So the total for each item equals the cost multiplied by the quantity. And just click on the cells and find the asterisk key on your keyboard there. And when you've done that, hit enter. Now, each of these formulas is exactly the same, so I don't need to type them in again. I can just copy them down. To do that, I put my mouse over this little square here and then drag it slowly down so that it pastes into those cells. Pause the video and go and do that. To do the total of the invoice, what I need to look for, and you can't see on my screen, it's way over on the right. Oops. Let's see if we can find it. Here. Can you see this one? The summation tool. So click that. Okay, and it will automatically, the auto sum tool will automatically select the cells above it. Now I don't need this empty one here, so I'm just going to get the corner here and drag it up so that it's just around the numbers. And then I'm going to hit enter. The next thing I need to do is work out the 30% discount. So this is a formula, so I'm going to put equals. Now it's 30% of times the total. That's how I get the amount of my discount. Now I need to work out a subtotal. So the subtotal equals this number here, take away the discount. And again, I've just been clicking on the cells. Now what they do is they need to add in a sales tax, and it is 25% of this number here. So we put in equals 25% of times this number here. Enter. Now the total amount that's owed equals the subtotal plus the sales tax. Enter. Okay. Again, if you need to, rewind and watch the bits again that you need to do. Okay, we're now going to, I'll show you how to do all the borders. So the first one is I put a border right around the outside, so I highlighted all the cells and then I went up here on my toolbar and clicked outside border. Then I did this one, highlighted all of those and did outside border. And then because I didn't want lines in here, I just highlighted where the group where I wanted it to go and did my outside borders. And then for these cells here, outside border, and this one just had a bottom border, and then that was it.